Hi, my name is Matt Siddell with TriMech, and today we're going to take a quick look at a little known tool in Assemblies to help you kind of go through your work and also to evaluate Assemblies. That tool is going to be the Assembly Visualization tool. So the first thing we're going to do is hop over to our Evaluate tab, and we'll open this up. And if we kind of expand our pane a little bit, we'll see that we're getting some information by default on part quantity and also the mass of each component. Some things that we could do for kind of streamlining our assemblies. If we have long load times, we could investigate some things like rebuild time here. We can accept that, and we can filter and sort this and see that, okay, this one part in particular has a bit of a long reload time. From there on, we could go ahead and open this file and see if there's anything we could adjust as far as what might be making it take so long to rebuild. Another tool that's useful is graphics triangles as far as evaluating the graphical quality of a specific part. And in this case, let's see what the name of this part is. The trunnion in the middle of this shock assembly has quite a bit of graphics triangles. So within here, we can actually just go ahead and open our files up. And if we come into our document properties and image quality, we'll see that our settings are a little bit high. Normally it's preferred to kind of have these lower, just less work for SOLIDWORKS to actually process the information. And realistically, it doesn't change the geometry of the model, it just changes what you're actually seeing. So we can go ahead and save that and switch back to our primary model and see that we almost cut our graphics triangles for that one part in half. Moving on, we're going to look at some new features that we have in 2024. You may have noticed that we're actually in the PDM environment, and the reason we have that set up is to show the addition of PDM properties in the assembly visualization tool. So we can go ahead and filter this by state, and we can do something where, in this case, we might want to group by identical, and we already have them ordered. So this tool can be useful for things where maybe you haven't needed to work on this specific part of an assembly, or if you're looking and tracking the overall progress of an assembly as it is being prepared for final release, you can see what state all of the files are in. You even have the additional benefit in 2024 to save this as a display state. The upside to this, when we come back out to actually do our work, we can change over to have a visualization of our display state. Now in this example, obviously it's pretty clear what part needs to be modified or is in progress for modification, but in a larger assembly, being able to pick things out easily by color is pretty useful. You could go ahead and then make your changes and reset your display state back to normal. Save everything and check it back into your PDM Vault environment. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you'll go out and explore the other options in the assembly visualization to improve your workflow and just your general productivity. Thanks for watching.